This is a Chemistry of the Environment public service announcement brought to you by Alex, Katie, and Griffin. And now, the truth about methylmercury. Mercury is emitted into the environment by anthropogenic sources, including coal-burning power plants and chlorine production plants. Mercury is also emitted into the environment via natural sources, including volcanoes and wildfires. Mercury falls out of the air and can accumulate in the ocean and other waterways. Bacteria in the soil converts mercury into methylmercury. Methylmercury is then absorbed by small aquatic organisms as they feed. Methylmercury has a half-life of about 70 days in aquatic life. Because it is not readily removed from organisms, it bioaccumulates in aquatic food chains, from macroinvertebrates to herbivorous fish, such as tilapia and herring, to piscivorous fish, fish that eat fish, such as shark and tuna. The methylmercury concentration in fish increases at each step in the food chain. When humans consume fish containing methylmercury, it is absorbed by the gastrointestinal tract. It is recognized by the human body as an amino acid, and it is distributed throughout the body. Methylmercury in the human body at unhealthy levels is linked to impaired neurological development, damage to the nervous system, and negative effects on cognitive thinking, fine motor skills, attention, language, and memory. These effects from methylmercury poisoning, otherwise known as Minamata disease, were most common in the 1950s and 60s in Japan, where local companies were dumping mercury into local fishing waters. At that point, methylmercury concentrations were 100 times higher than what they are today. Since the 1960s, mercury levels have been significantly reduced, and therefore the risks to adults of methylmercury poisoning are very minimal. However, one risk still persists: the dangers of eating fish while pregnant. Studies have shown that eating fish with high mercury content during pregnancy increases the risk of preterm delivery. Additionally, the methylmercury concentrates in the fetal brain and has been linked with poorer results on test scores, attention, language, and memory testing. There are, however, benefits of eating fish while pregnant. Fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote vision, neurodevelopment, and retina function. One omega-3 fatty acid, in particular, docosahexaenoic acid, otherwise known as DHA, is especially important during pregnancy because it's the main structural component of the brain, and the body only makes small amounts of it. DHA is found in large amounts in breast milk and in the placenta during the last trimester. And in adults, omega-3 fatty acids have been found to reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Another benefit to eating fish while pregnant is that fish contain other essential nutrients, such as iodine, iron, choline, selenium, and other trace elements. Women who are pregnant should limit the amounts of methylmercury they consume. However, they shouldn't avoid eating fish altogether because of the benefits of eating fish while pregnant that were previously discussed. This chart provides a list of the best fish to eat based on independent mercury testing. It's sorted by omega-3 to mercury concentration. The fish up here at the top of the list scored the best on this chart due to their relatively low concentrations of methylmercury and their high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, with farm-raised salmon having the best score. If pregnant women have access to this information, they can maximize the benefits of eating fish while simultaneously minimizing their exposure to methylmercury. Because methylmercury is dangerous to pregnant women and their unborn child, but omega-3 fatty acids are important for the child's development, another option is taking an omega-3 supplement. Supplementation has been linked with anti-stress and increased learning ability, and thus may be a good alternative for those concerned with being overexposed to methylmercury. This has been a Chemistry of the Environment public service announcement, brought to you by Alex, Katie, and Griffin.